Dragons of the Dark Kingdom. In a land far away, there was a dark kingdom ruled by dragons. These dragons were powerful, and no one dared to enter their territory. But one brave boy, named Leo, decided to change everything. He wanted to prove that even in the darkest places, hope could still shine. Once upon a time, in a kingdom covered by mist and shadows, lived a group of dragons. The people of nearby villages feared them because the dragons were known for their strength and fire-breathing power. The kingdom was dark and cold, and no one dared to go there. But there was one boy who was not afraid. His name was Leo. Leo lived in a small village near the Dark Kingdom. He had heard many stories about the dragons. Some said they were kind, while others said they were dangerous. Leo was curious, and he believed that there was more to the dragons than what people said. One morning, Leo decided to go on an adventure. He packed his bag with some bread, water, and a small sword. His parents told him not to go, but Leo had made up his mind. "I will find the truth about the dragons," he said to himself. As Leo entered the Dark Kingdom, the sky seemed to grow darker. The trees were tall and thick, and the air was cold. The ground was covered in black stones, and the sound of his footsteps echoed in the silence. Leo walked deeper into the kingdom, his heart pounding with both fear and excitement. After walking for hours, Leo finally saw something. A large cave appeared in front of him. He knew the dragons must live there. He took a deep breath and walked inside. Inside the cave, it was warmer. The walls were covered with glowing crystals. As Leo moved deeper into the cave, he saw something incredible. 3 dragons were lying in a circle. They had huge wings, sharp claws, and their scales glittered like gold. But instead of roaring or attacking, the dragons were silent. Leo stepped forward, and one of the dragons opened its eyes. It was a deep blue color with large, gentle eyes. The dragon didn't seem angry. In fact, it seemed sad. "Why are you here, little one?" the dragon asked in a soft voice. Leo was surprised. He had never imagined the dragons could talk. "I wanted to know the truth about you," Leo said. "Are you dangerous?" The dragon looked at him thoughtfully. "No, we are not dangerous," it said. "But the kingdom is dark because we have been forgotten by the people. They fear us without understanding us." Leo thought about this. "Is there a way to bring light back to your kingdom?" he asked. The dragon smiled. "There is a way," it said. "But you must tell the people that we do not wish to harm them. We need their friendship, not their fear." Leo nodded. "I will tell them." The next day, Leo returned to his village and told everyone about the dragons. He told them how the dragons were kind and peaceful, and how they just wanted to be understood. Slowly, the people began to trust the dragons. Over time, the Dark Kingdom became bright again, filled with the warmth of the friendship. And Leo, the brave boy who believed in the dragons, was remembered as a hero who brought light to a kingdom of darkness. Moral of the story: never judge something or someone by their appearance. Sometimes the truth is different from what you hear, and kindness can change everything.